Donpro DBFB D-Series Ultra-Low Tension Overflow Dyeing Machine. Overflow dyeing process. The dye liquor is fully and evenly mixed in the main tank. And transported by the main pump, passes through the automatic filter device and enters into the heat exchanger for rapid heating. High-temperature dye liquor enters into the dye tank through the overflow pipe at the top, and the strong dye liquor overflow is sprayed through the overflow nozzle, and the fabric enters from the upper cloth inlet hole and is driven by the built-in cloth lifting roller to fully soak and color. The fabric with dye liquor enters the fabric running pipe under the traction of the cloth lifting roller and water flow. At the same time, the fabric running pipe swings left and right under the action of the rotating driving device, so that the fabric enters the storage groove and well piled up on the smooth Teflon tube plate at the bottom of the main tank and slowly slides forward under the action of gravity. The dye liquor passes through the internal circulation pipe and enters the automatic filtering device, which is at the front of the main pump, and then the dye liquor is transported by the main pump to the next cycle, so that the fabric circulates repeatedly in the dye tank and interacts with the dye liquor to achieve perfect dyeing effects. The traction height of the built-in lifting wheel is kept within 80 centimeters, which effectively reduces the tension of the fabric in the running process, reduces the crease mark, and avoids the phenomenon of fabric stretching and cloth breakage. The adjustable large flow nozzle has 1.8 kilograms pressure. It can increase the dye liquor cycle times, improve the levelness and saturation of dyed fabrics, and shorten the dyeing time. At the same time, the high-precision angle sensor can adjust space according to different fabric, so that the dyeing machine can adapt to a wider range of the fabric. In the meantime, the single tube capacity is higher and the fabric moving is more smooth.